Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube series in a Rotary Tool review series. Excuse me there. Now, for the price I gave for this, I had to buy it. Had to give it an honest review on it. I either bought it off off Amazon or eBay. I can't remember which one, but I only paid like $8 for this thing, including shipping. Now, this is very, very basic. I've already opened it and looked at it and put it back in the bag, but here's the actual model, and I believe this is made for doing pet nails, human fingernails, just whatever, for a manicure set. Anyway, I'm going to give an honest review on this and tell you if it's worth less than $10 or worth more than $10 what I paid for it. I do appreciate you being here. Here's the close-up of the mini rotary tool, die grinder, whatever you want to call this. Now, this doesn't really seem very durable at all to me. It is approximately, well, here's the Sharpie. You can see how long it is compared to the Sharpie. Just a little bit longer, about a ½ inch longer, 1 inch longer than the Sharpie. It is small enough to fit in small hands though, so that's a good thing. Now, I believe that this is geared towards manicure for pets. And I've heard stories in the past where most pets are scared of these things. But anyway, I'm going to do a little quick review on this and see how it goes. This is the shaft lock button right here. So you can put the accessories in. Let me go ahead and unscrew this on the top. See if there's a collet on the inside, which there is. There's one collet, and it looks to be the same size as the Dremel style collets. So they should be interchangeable if you ever needed to. Go ahead and put this back on here. I do not believe that this nut is the same size. It does not take a wrench to tighten it up. So this is your off and on switch and speed control. On the back here, you'll see it has a little hole here to plug in your power supply. And this does look like a generic power supply. It is they call it AC/DC adapter, model number 0910. Input 100 to 240 VAC, 50 to 60 HZ. Output 9 volt equals 1A. Now, most of you know what that means. I know what some of that means. Let's see how long this cord is. It looks like it's going to be about a 3-foot cord, just by guessing. And I would say that's a pretty good guess. I think that's maybe even shorter than 3 foot. But anyway, let's go ahead and plug this in and see how loud this is. Make sure it's turned off. Off is this way. Plug it in over here. And that's as far as I can reach from my power supply. So it's not too loud. Not as loud as I thought it'd be. So animals, maybe a cat would be scared of this. I don't know if a dog would be scared of it. Maybe a little dog would. I'm not sure. Depending on how wimpy your dog is. Okay, it comes with these accessories. These diamond coated, I'll call these nail burrs because I want to say that these are made for pedicures, manicures for your animal. It comes in different shapes. These two are barrel shaped and these other three are cone shaped. This one right here will be the one that holds the sanding paper, and all you do is just push it on and it barely holds it. It does not tighten up on there. So I'm going to try that one first. Let me open up this mandrel a little bit and stick in this sanding burr right here and tighten it up by hand. There we go, as tight as I can get it. Full speeding, that's what it is. Now I'm noticing to see if the drum actually slides off of the mandrel. Oh, very easy. No issues at all. I can't see it sliding as it's just in the on position. It is staying in one place. Turn this off. Let me get this piece of wood right here. I'm going to mark this up a little bit. Right here. I'm going to see how much of that black mark this will take off. I put very, very little pressure on there. In fact, if I just let it sit on there at its own weight, it bounces. You can see it bouncing. So if I put just a tiny, tiny bit of pressure on there, it bogs it down a little bit. And look at there, sanding drum came off. So I do not like that at all. Let me loosen this up, take this off, put this one on there, this grinding tool. Now we're going to pretend that this is toenails on a dog. We're just going to say that's a toenail on a dog, and we're going to see how this grinds it. Again, I'm just going to put very, very little pressure on here. Now it is grinding it. You can see if I put any kind of pressure on there, it just bogs down the machine. Now I'm not sure, I've never used these on a dog or a cat or a dinosaur or anything. But my opinion is the sooner that you would get done with each paw or each nail, the better off everybody would be. And this has taken quite a bit of time to file down. So, my overall conclusion on this tool right here. Am I going to keep this? Most likely not. I won't give it to somebody who has a dog and might need it. I don't have any use for this thing, and I'm pretty sure I wasted my money on this. So, if you want to go my route, if you want to waste some money, go ahead and buy one of these and find out how useless it is. If you want to go ahead and try one, go ahead and try one. Let me know how you feel about it. In the meantime, I'm going to donate this to somebody who has a pet and let them try it out and try to get a review on it. Let them put a comment in my section below. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate being with us today.